How you doing, buddy? And everybody's getting along here. Love that red on your shoulders. Zeke says that you are a black-crowned night heron. Is that what you are? Zeke says you are a yellow-crowned night heron. You got something to say for yourself? Here's an anhinga sharing her tree with a big iguana. And they're both chill. Leave a comment and tell me which was your favorite animal, and I'll tell you mine. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe to The Hiker's Eye View for more authentic encounters of South Florida wildlife.